Hello guys, welcome to today's video. I'm Trust Stanley and this is TS Tech Talks video. Today guys, I'm going to show you how to link your Instagram direct messenger with Facebook Messenger. And then guys, I already made a video about this previously, but this is actually a fix for anybody who is having any challenges linking the accounts together. So this happened that probably when this the notification came up, you guys were not able to click on it, or probably you didn't see this option display for your account. So this is just how to fix it. Very easy and smooth. So first of all, make sure your Instagram is up to date as usual. Go to your menu section of Android Play Store, go to updates and make sure that your Instagram is up to date. I already updated my own, you can see 2 hours ago. So make sure your own is up to date and then click on Instagram and log in to the account that you want to make use of, the account you want to link together with Facebook Messenger, and also make sure you are logged in into Facebook Messenger. Now this is the account that I want to make use of. It's called Gamepad, and if you notice right here, the icon is still showing Instagram icon, and you can see that whenever I search for anybody, it's definitely going to give me only options of Instagram account. So right, I just went back. Now all I need to do is log in into my Facebook account first that I want to link together. This is the account I want to make use of. It's called Gift Emma. This is the account. Just pay attention to that. So I'm also going to make sure that this account is also the same account that is logged in into my Facebook Messenger. So it's correct. It's logged into my Facebook Messenger. Now I'll go back to the Instagram account, open the Instagram up, and then click on this profile icon on the bottom right corner, and now click on the menu icon on the top right and click on setting on the bottom. Now once you notice this area, there are some settings that you need to see. Just scroll down a little bit to account centers, click on account center. Now you can notice where it says account and profile. Go ahead and click on that. Next thing you need to do, click on add account, and then you can notice the account that says the Facebook account that says Gift Emma. That's exactly the account that I want to use. But if for some reason on your case you have a different account, maybe I click on change right now, you can go ahead and log in into a different Facebook account that you want to make use of. But I want to make use of this same Gift Emma because that is the account that is currently logged into my Facebook, and that is the account that I want to make use of. Now if you're okay with that, go ahead and click on continue. Now just go ahead and click on finish setting up. Now it's connected together. You can see I have Facebook and Instagram linked together in the same account, so I can always log in with the same account. Now you can notice this area right here. We are going to come back here just just before the follow and invite option. There should be a notification, there should be another link before that, but all you need to do is to go ahead and close your app. Just close every app, then wait for some minutes for I think just wait for about 10 or 20 minutes, or you can restart your phone if you want to. But I think the only thing that worked when I did this, I have to wait for some minutes and then it will update automatically and I will be able to use it. But while we are waiting for that, I'm going to show you guys a quick guide on, I just want to show you guys a quick confirmation on our Facebook that is linked to the Instagram. Now if you don't have this the same way, that I'm showing you right now, it's not going to work. Just open your Facebook account, menu, settings, and then scroll right down to account section. Just like Instagram, it's going to show you account center. Click on account center and click on the profile and accounts and profile, and you're going to notice the name Gift Emma and Gamepad. You can notice the logo that says Instagram, which is correct when you click on that. So just go ahead and close it out, and let's also go ahead and confirm for the messenger. Also click on your messenger and press this icon, your profile icon. Scroll down to where it says there is also account center. Click on account settings, scroll right down, you can notice where it says account center. Click on that, and we can see where it says account and profile. Click on it just to confirm. Now this is accurate, which means it can link together with our Instagram. But all you need to do after you've confirmed all of this is just to wait for like 10 to 20 minutes, and then you are going to see some update on your Instagram. So I'm going to wait for 10 to 20 minutes and then I'll come back and complete the video for you guys. Alright guys, I think the wait is enough. Let's go ahead and open our Instagram. Click on Instagram and then wait for it to load. Now click on your profile icon again. Click on the menu icon, click on settings, and now you can notice where it says update messaging. Go ahead and click on that. Now this is the icon and the option that you guys actually missed in the previous or in probably when you open your account. So all you need to do is to click on update. You can see that you can now change your chat color, reaction, swipe, reply, stickers, and chat with friends who you use on Facebook. Actually chat with your friends that you have on your Facebook account. Just click on update anyway. So once you click on update, you can notice it says your message has been updated. Now go ahead and go to the home page. You can notice now that the icon has changed back to messenger icon. Go ahead and click on that, and now let's go ahead and search for our friends on Facebook. Now you can notice where it says Facebook friends. Apart from that, you can easily search them on the search. Let me go ahead and search for that same name. So it's going to give me results. Now you can notice the result that says Facebook friends, right? And after the Facebook friends, you can say more on Instagram. So as simple as that, you can now start getting your Facebook friends from here. Now you can see Facebook friends. So that is all for this video, guys. I hope this actually fixed the issue with the Instagram linking with Messenger. It's as easy as that. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. This video is really not easy. I really took a lot of time and a lot of research to get this done. If it helped you, please do subscribe, like the video, and share it with your friends. I would really appreciate if you share it with everybody that needs it. And thank you for watching. Stay home and stay safe, guys. Peace.